Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. We have 2015, or it could be from 2008 to 15. GMC on here. The problem is that the car go into lean mode. What code you have in this car? The code was 5-volt reference code?
Yes.
5-volt reference code. When we on a cooling temperature sensor, there is a 5-volt reference. But when the car starts and warm up a little bit, that 5-volt disappear. That computer, you have it? The computer just show me. The computer just show me you have it, or I have it? Okay. So now, on those cars, the engine computer is located here in this place. You see? 5-volt references, when they go bad, you're going to disconnect the sensors and check the continuity. If the wire is good, the computer has to be replaced. If the computer is replaced, the first step you have to do is to get a subscription through AC Delco GMC website, test web to download the required software. The computer can empty. Engine computer can empty, not programmed. This is the example of the engine computer. You see, this is one. I'm going to look at it now, maybe by mistake. Okay. This is the example of the engine computer. This engine computer is combined transmission and the engine. I believe the blue connector is for transmission connector. The software coming both of them together. This is AC Delco GM original. Here is the part number. This car here is 2017. Notice here. So what you need to do is, your battery is fully charged. You have to have your internet access. You have to have internet, and then you can use your laptop to go online, and this is where, for example, you can get the subscription and you can get the software download on AC Delco test web tools. You have to have a pass-through device or anything that is have the capability approved by GMC software download, like a Snap-on pass-through device, any pass-through device that approved. You have to have internet. A subscription costs about $40 something for this VIN number, and it go about 2 years. You can do anything with this car. You don't need to buy subscription again. Before, there is a yearly subscription, but it's not a lot now. Then you can go through step by step. After you have the subscription, choose for 1 day, and you follow step by step to program the car. After you program it, you have to go back and do security. Sometimes it doesn't require security. As soon as you start it, it will go and run. This is for GMC. Some cars need to do the security, relearn 10 minutes, sometimes they don't. Putting a used computer on those cars, most of the time, before you can reprogram a used computer. And even now, it's still on all the cars, yes. But the newer cars, no. It doesn't allow, most of the car, it doesn't allow to put a used computer in it. Okay.